What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi and I have with me the latest Xiaomi product, the Mi Soundbar. This has been launched alongside two smart LED TVs, the 55-inch and a 43-inch LED TV from Xiaomi. But in this video, we'll take a look at the cheapest product launched today, the Mi Soundbar, and we'll find out what it's all about. So let's get started. So Mi Soundbar comes in this packaging. As you can see, it's written at the front. And at the back, you'll see all the connectivity options are mentioned. It connects using Bluetooth, 3.5mm jack. There's a line-in, SPDIF and optical input as well, which will allow it to be connected through a regular TV for 2.1 sound. And on the left is the information written about the soundbar and the fact that it has been imported in India and not manufactured in India or assembled like Mi smartphones. Anyways, let's open the Mi soundbar and we'll take a look at the quality of material used on the device. So the packaging is quite nice and the Mi soundbar is securely put inside this thermocol enclosure. Let me pull it out fully and let's discard the box. So first up, we have a cable which is quite good in quality, but the length is not very long. So this will allow the soundbar to be connected directly to the TV. Okay, so inside we see there's an adapter, quite big and heavy one, that will power the soundbar, and the cable on this is quite long. Okay, so as you can see, the soundbar is white in color. It has a cloth-like mesh at front, beneath which I can feel the grill, and probably speakers are placed inside, so they are front firing. And at the top you see there are controls. So there are two big volume buttons, which is quite nice and very tactile. And then there are several buttons that allow you to switch between modes with just a touch of a button. This is pretty nice. So if you want to switch to Bluetooth, you just need to press the Bluetooth button and the speaker will go into the wireless mode, and you can then switch the input to aux if you want to connect to your smartphone or maybe any other MP3 or music player. And then you can switch to line-in if your TV is connected to the soundbar, so it will take input from the TV itself. At the back, you'll see there are inputs. It starts from the left side for the power input, then there's the optical input, the SPDIF and the line-in, and then there's a 3.5mm audio jack. And there is space made so it is accessible even while it's mounted on the wall. So if it's mounted on the wall like this, the space will still be accessible from the underneath, which is quite a nice design from Xiaomi. Now if you take a look at the rating, the input voltage is 16 volts and the current is 2.5 amperes. And you'll also see there is a master power button that allows the soundbar to be switched on and off. Now if you don't want to mount the speaker and just place it on the table, you'll see it has nice rubber paddings at the bottom that will allow it to be placed without getting slipped from the table. It is very grippy. It won't be slipping left, right or forward or backward on the table. So in that ways, it's quite stable. Now let's quickly power up the speaker and listen to the audio the speaker has to offer. Alright, so I've connected the Mi soundbar to a power source, and as you can see, it has a faint light. The switching is very smooth. As I said, you just need to press the button and switching happens, and it's also quite fast. Now let's connect the Mi soundbar to a Bluetooth device and we'll listen to the sound quality to see how the speakers put up. The Mi soundbar has 4 speakers in total. 2 are dome speakers for high frequencies and 2 other speakers are for low frequency. So you can say that 2 take care of the main sound, that is vocals, instrumentals, etc. and other 2 work as woofers, and 4 passive radiators that boost the bass on this device. Now the volume buttons work continuously, so if you press and hold the volume button, you'll see the volume goes down straight, which is quite nice. But altogether, the Mi soundbar has amazing sound quality. for the price it comes at 5,000 rupees, it offers you amazing balanced sound. The bass does not overpower and the vocals are clear, the instrumentals are sharp and crisp, and the sound itself is quite powerful and complements the TV. I think overall the Mi Soundbar is an amazing product from Xiaomi. Just like its value for money smartphones, this is a value for money speaker and has amazing looks, sound quality, is laden with features and connectivity options, and you also get it at a very affordable price of 5,000 rupees. The speaker will be available from January 16 on mi.com. Do let us know what you think about the Mi Soundbar in the comment section below, and if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology like this. Thank you for watching.